Okay guys, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back again with me in this channel Banky, and we will continue our project food store project. The name is Peta Rasa, and we're gonna talk about eloquent relationship. Okay, the first one. Okay, um we move into the category models of category. All right, and then um we put into eloquent relationship. We create the relation one to many from table categories to products, and which mean is one that of category is soon as soon have a lot of data of product. Okay, and come on, we have to move and open the category models. Okay, as you can see, this is return this has many. Okay, we will use this eloquent relationship of has many to the product, and then we move into the product. Okay, like this. The product we create the relationship belongs to from uh we create the relationship normally is belong to. Okay, from table of product to table categories. From table product we belongs to the table categories, and the purpose is we call the data the main of data and the category from product. Okay, and then we have to type of like this belongs to category, and then one to many. Okay, we have to put the relationship one to many to in translation model. Okay, in translation models. Okay, as many which mean is one to many. Okay, which mean one translation could be have a lot of data of translation details. Okay, like this, and then has one relationship of okay. Okay, we move into the translation, still in translation, and from this table we use this has one from a table transitions to shaping. Okay, which mean one transaction data just have one shaping. Okay, like this, and then one to many again. One to many again. We move into the product like this. One, yeah, one to many, which means it has many. Okay, from table of product to rating, which means the product is could be much of ratings users. Okay, and then translation again. We move into translation again like this. Belongs to, okay, like this, customer. Okay, yeah. The transaction belongs to customer. The transaction data is belongs to customer. What that's mean? That's mean which mean is the customers the customer data just have one have a belongs to, which mean is the, yeah, belongs to transaction belongs to customer. It's like that. Okay, and after that, transaction again. Okay, the province. Okay, transaction again belongs to province and belongs to city. Okay, we move into the province. Okay, the province is one to many. We use this relationship because this province could be have a lot of city. Okay, this mean it's example the West Java have a lot of city, all of this city in West Java, just like Bogor or Bandung or Jonggol or anymore. Okay, just like that. After that, we move into city. Okay, the city is belongs to province, which means the city is just belongs to province. And card. Okay, the card is belongs to product because this card is just we just have one card, but we have a lot of product, and it's like belongs to customer. Okay, discuss this one customer this belongs to card. Okay, we move into transaction detail. Transaction detail is belongs to product. Okay, and writing. Okay, writing to writing belongs to customer just like before, and then we move to make the cedar province. Okay, before we make the cedar, you can use this command php artisan make cedar cities table cedar. If this command has been inputted, so that we get one file cedar, the new file cedar, it's namely province table cedar. The file on database and cedars, and just like this province cities table cedar and province table cedar. Okay, just both of them is extremely important to our database. And then the cities table the first city is province table cedar. We have to import the app model province. Okay, we call this bezel so that we can fetching to the REST API. It's like this fetching for the API, REST API, I mean. And then we move into the method run. The method run, we're adding some code and just like that. Okay, response with headers and key config Rajang API underscore key and get from this. And this API we took from the environment has been created before. And then after the getting the data, we move into the for each loop. Okay, and the inside of for each loop just like this, and we gonna some insert data but use model. Okay, enter data, is model province ID, is province. Okay, just like that. After that, we move into the creating a table, cities table seeder, just like that. Don't forget to this comment to sound like province, but we change the cities. Same like before, we use Gazelle to get REST API, and then after that we just spawn the new file, the new one file seeder, and then we adding some code on function of run. Okay, on function of run we adding some code, and we do some fetching. We do fetching into the endpoint recipe a rajonkir.com starter slash city, and for the method is we gonna use get, and then the headers we adding the API key. Okay, after the getting, after we get that API, we have to do for each loop, and you use model of city. Okay, just like that. You can pause and you type code by code, and then before we starting to migrate and seed, you have to register the seeder in database seeder. Okay, because when a seed on processing on running, the data of seeder for province and cities has been created before, and they'll be running and they'll be running too. Okay, okay, open the database seeder, and then you can just call this province table seeder and cities table seeder, and don't forget to the province first and then the cities. You this can't be undone if you put the province at the bottom. Okay, after that you just php artisan config, and after you're creating a change you clear this command. Both of them we use to clear the change config in this application, and then composer doom autoload and php artisan migrate. Migrate seed. Okay, sorry. Okay, like this, config change, and then config clear, and composer doom autoload, and then this loading and php migrate, and just yes. Okay, and then we move into our database. Yes, just like this. Yes, my database name is Dewi Peta Rasa. All of the table we create before already spawn here. Okay, you can look the province as we spawn the zero before. Okay, we did it to get the API of province and city. We look for cities. Okay, just like this. Okay, okay, guys. In this episode, we don't all have. Nah, I mean, we have to move into the next part. The next part is gonna be challenging again. You have to prepare for our database. I mean, for our dashboard of admin panel. We use Filament, by the way. Okay. See you guys in the next episode and goodbye.